All right, it's Saturday afternoon, and I'm working on this rock crusher. I got the arc gouging out. I tried to use this 225, and it don't have enough ass to arc gouge. So I got my 350. Got my 350 hooked up over here. These old transformer machines are definitely good for this. So I got this hooked up. This one here, the crack stopped about halfway through, so it didn't go all the way through. It just started on the top. This one here went all the way to the bottom. I chased that crack all the way to the bottom on that one. And then I arc gouged out all of that crappy ass weld. I got rid of all that bubblegum bullshit all the way around. This one was just located right here, probably because of the position. You can see they got into there a little bit, but that I am not going to worry about. They probably just added some beads to that because this was piled up with welds, you know, so high. So I got all that out of there, and that's gouged out all the way down to there. I mean, you can see what I got out of there just from the torch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and fill these two in since they're flat, and then I'm going to lay it down this way so this is flat, and I'm just going to run passes, and I'll come all the way over to here and put some more passes, and then I'll flip it over the other way, and then I'll do that side, and that'll be pretty much it. So we're ready to start welding now. I just got to clean up all this mess. All right, it's Saturday night. It's about 8 o'clock, and boy, do I got a damn mess here. I got a huge mess going on. So that was all that was gouged out, and it's welded all the way around. A little bit of light on the subject. That was gouged all the way out to the center pipe, and a couple passes, 2 or 3 passes. Same with this side. That was all gouged out all the way to the edge there, so a good inch deep. And I got a couple more passes on that. And we got this all welded up. I mean, it don't look bad for my first time welding. Yeah, not bad at all for my first time welding. I know it looks better than that bird shit that was up there. But I know this is done correctly. So we get this thing the hell out of here, and I'll clean up this mess tomorrow. I'm getting out of here. It's Saturday.